Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Forgot your iPhone's screen time passcode? Trying to change your screen time passcode, but there's no Forgot Passcode option? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset or remove your screen time passcode without losing data. Let's dive in. Method 1. Sign into your Apple ID. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, it's usually because you haven't set up your Apple ID. So, first things first, open Settings on your iPhone and sign into your Apple account. Once you're signed in, try to change your screen time passcode again. You should now see the Forgot Passcode option. Tap on it. Then enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. Finally, set a new screen time passcode. If the first method didn't work, the second method is to use iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer to remove your screen time passcode. Here's how. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Then download and install iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer on your computer. This tool helps you quickly remove the screen time passcode without losing any data. You can find the link in the description below. Then open the software. Select Remove Screen Time Passcode. Now you need to turn off Find My iPhone on your device. Then click Start. The software will begin removing the screen time passcode from your iPhone. Success! Your iPhone will restart automatically. The screen time passcode has been removed. If you prefer not to use third-party software, the last resort is to reset your iPhone. Here is how. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Select Devices at the bottom. Select your iPhone. Tap Erase. Then follow the on-screen instructions to erase your iPhone. Once the process is complete, set up your iPhone again. When you return to your device, the screen time passcode is gone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. See you in the next one.